Welcome to the Shriprati Educational Online Classes. Here we are going to start a second lecture of Photoshop. So let's get started. In this topic, we will look how to install Photoshop. So first of all, click onto the browser and then into the Google search bar, type get into PC. Here you can get all the softwares. So type the get into PC into the search bar of the Google. After clicking after clicking onto the search bar, in the very first page you can get a link get into PC appears. Click onto that. When you click onto that, you will directly go to the getintopc.com website. In the right hand side, you will get a search bar where you type Photoshop CC 2019. After typing the Photoshop CC 2019, on the very first heading you get the Adobe Photoshop CC 2019 free download. Click onto that, and when you click onto that, Adobe Photoshop CC 2019 free download overview is showing you. Read the full overview of the Photoshop CC 2019 where you have given how to install, what are the requirements of the Photoshop, what are the tools that is to be added into the 2019 CC Photoshop. Okay, so in the down on the website you will get a link of download 64-bit. Click onto that link, and then when you click onto that link, Photoshop is downloading into your PC and it takes some time. Now you need to unzip the folder. After that, the right click from the mouse and then click the extract button. When you click onto the extract button, WinRAR window is open where you have seeing a tab extract to. Click onto that tab. When you click onto the extract to tab, extraction path and option dialog box will appear where you want to set the destination path, where do you want to come, where you want to unzip your Photoshop. Then extracting process is going on. After some time, the folder is stored on that place where you set into the destination path. Now go to that path and click onto the Photoshop folder, and then again click onto the Photoshop folder, and you can see there is a setup.exe application file. Click onto that execution file and run the execution. After that, it will store onto your PC. Then it is recently added. So type into the search that is to be in your LAPI in left hand side of the Windows option. Then click onto that. Then Photoshop is open. Now the Photoshop welcome window is open where you can see welcome window open. Here you can see in the blue circle, under this circle you can see recent projects are open if there is any. Okay, so recent projects come here, and there is a create new button. When you click on to that a new create new document will open. If you click onto the open button, then the existing document that is in a Photoshop or image, then it will be open. Okay, LR means Lightroom photos. We will consider it to another our next lectures. Now, when you click onto the create new, here are some recent blank document presets open and some type of saved document that is already saved. Now you have an option like photo, print, art and illustration, web, mobile, film and video, जिस तरीके के लिए आपको चाहिए प्रीसेट ब्लैंक डॉक्यूमेंट। अगर आपको फोटो के लिए चाहिए, अगर आपको प्रीसेट के लिए चाहिए, या फिर आपको आर्ट एंड इलस्ट्रेशन के लिए चाहिए, या फिर आपको वेब के लिए चाहिए, मोबाइल के लिए चाहिए, फिल्म एंड वीडियो के लिए चाहिए। So different types of blank preset documents are available, and range of preset documents, as I told you, in the very first page you can see the some of the recent presets come. Below the title bar, below the title bar you can see the some of the recent presets come. In the below title bar of new document there is one or more tabs like photo, like photos, like print, like art and illustration, web, mobile, film, video. Okay, so are shown. When you click onto the photo, then the photo preset blank document sizes are available for you. After that, if you click onto the print, then the print related blank preset documents are available. Okay, then look onto this photo, print, art and web, mode, mobile, film and video. Different types of document presets like photo have their own range of presets, and print tab also contain their own sets of presets. Here you can see from the recent tab. Recent tab means clipboard. Preset is selected, and in the right hand side you can see the untitled document name is displayed. Here you can customize according to your choice. Here right now clipboard is selected, that's why the detailed specification of the clipboard is given. The weight of the clipboard is 579, height is 206, resolution is 72 pixel per inch, color mode is RGB color, background content is white. Then click onto the create option. Then click onto the create option. Now here we can, as I told you, default Photoshop size is given. Then the untitled document, width, height, resolution, RGB, background color, white is given. Then click on to the create button. When you click on to the create button you can directly go to the back workspace area of the Photoshop with the untitled document. If you save it, then look at this, photo tab is clicked. When you click onto the photo tab, then a blank document preset of default Photoshop size, and there are different types of blank document presets are available which is related to the photo. Default to Photoshop size is selected. When you select the preset details, untitled, width इसकी इतनी है 5, इसकी हाइट है, रेजोल्यूशन 300 पिक्सेल्स पर इंच है, कलर मोड RGB है, बैकग्राउंड कंटेंट वाइट है। आफ्टर दैट नाउ क्लिक ऑन टू दिस आइकन। जब आप इस आइकन पे क्लिक करेंगे, सेट द प्रीसेट ऑफ योर ओन चॉइस एंड देन सेव इट विद द नेम यू वांट। आपको जो नाम चाहिए उस नाम से आपका प्रीसेट डॉक्यूमेंट सेव हो जाएगा, फिर आपको जब भी यूज़ करना है आप उसको एक्सेस कर सकते हैं और यूज़ कर सकते हैं। After that, either you can create, so click onto the create button, or you want to close it, then click onto the close tab. Then the remaining options are print, art and illustration, web, mobile, film and video. It also contains a different blank preset, and also you can choose make your own. So save it. Now when you click onto the default Photoshop size from the photos, then you will get into the Photoshop workspace area where you have the untitled document, and also into the left side you will get a toolbox where all the tools which is necessary tools which are necessary for the Photoshop is given. Then the name of the untitled document is here. Here you can see three options. The one this option is used for setting the workspace area. So we will look it in our next lecture. Thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for the latest updates. So please stay safe during coronavirus at your home.